If you're a traveller, then you need to explore London in just one day. Get ready to dive into the city's rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning architecture. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveller, there's something for everyone. Let's get started. London, a city that never ceases to amaze, a city of history, culture, and endless possibilities. From the ancient walls of the Tower of London to the artistic treasures of the National Gallery, every corner of this city tells a story. But what if you only have one day to explore? It might seem overwhelming, but fear not. Don't worry. With a well-planned walking tour, you can experience the best of London in a single day. Imagine strolling past Big Ben, feeling the history beneath your feet, and soaking in the vibrant atmosphere. Get ready to be charmed by cobblestone streets and amazed by iconic landmarks. Picture yourself standing in front of Buckingham Palace, capturing memories that will last a lifetime. From ancient history to modern marvels, London has something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or just someone looking for a great adventure, this city has it all. Let's lace up our walking shoes and embark on an unforgettable adventure. Together, we'll uncover the hidden gems and iconic sights that make London one of the most fascinating cities in the world. Our first stop is the Tower of London, a historic castle that has served as a royal palace, a prison, and even a zoo. This iconic fortress, founded towards the end of 1066 as part of the Norman conquest of England, has witnessed centuries of history. It has been the setting for many significant events, from royal coronations to infamous imprisonments. The tower's walls echo with stories of intrigue and power struggles. As you walk through its ancient corridors, you can almost feel the presence of the past. Next, we'll stroll across Tower Bridge, one of the most recognizable bridges in the world. Completed in 1894, this marvel of Victorian engineering offers stunning views of the River Thames. The bridge's twin towers are an iconic symbol of London, and the glass-floored walkways provide a unique perspective of the bustling city below. Don't forget to capture the breathtaking scenery as you make your way across. The Houses of Parliament and Big Ben are a short walk away. These landmarks are not just architectural masterpieces, but also the heart of British democracy. The Gothic Revival architecture of the Parliament buildings is truly awe-inspiring, and Big Ben's chimes have become synonymous with the passage of time in London. Take a moment to appreciate the grandeur and historical significance of this area. Marvel at the intricate architecture and snap some photos. The detailed stonework and towering spires of the Parliament buildings are a testament to the craftsmanship of a bygone era. As you wander through Parliament Square, you'll be surrounded by statues of notable figures from British history, adding to the sense of historical depth. No trip to London is complete without a visit to Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the Queen. This grand palace has been the focal point of many state occasions and royal ceremonies. The opulent facade and the meticulously maintained gardens are a sight to behold. Imagine the history that has unfolded within these walls, from royal weddings to state banquets. Watch the changing of the guard ceremony for a truly royal experience. This time-honored tradition, with its precise military drills and vibrant uniforms, is a must-see for any visitor. The pageantry and precision of the ceremony offer a glimpse into the rich traditions of the British monarchy. As the guards march in perfect unison, you'll feel a sense of connection to the centuries-old heritage of this remarkable city. Now, let's escape the crowds and dive into the lesser-known corners of this historic city. London is a city brimming with hidden gems, waiting to be discovered by those willing to wander off the beaten path. Tucked away in Covent Garden, you'll find Neal's Yard, a colourful alley filled with quirky shops and cafes. This vibrant courtyard is a feast for the eyes, with its bright murals and eclectic atmosphere. It's the perfect spot to relax and soak in the creative energy of the city. Take a break at Leadenhall Market, a Victorian-era covered market with ornate painted ceilings. This historic market is not only a visual delight, but also a great place to shop for unique items and enjoy a meal in one of its charming eateries. Explore the South Bank, home to street performers, art installations, and stunning views of the River Thames. This lively area offers a mix of culture and entertainment, making it a must-visit for anyone looking to experience the dynamic spirit of London. Tips for the ultimate London walk. To make the most of your walking tour, wear comfortable shoes and pack a light bag. Start your day early to avoid the crowds. Purchase an Oyster card for easy transportation on the London Underground, also known as the Tube, and don't forget to bring your camera to capture all the memorable moments. Your London adventure starts now. London is waiting to be discovered. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, this vibrant city has something to offer every traveller. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your walking tour today and experience the magic of London for yourself. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel content.